I'm glad that you have touched this question also, and thank you so much. So, coming to the topic, pharmacovigilance and fixed dose combinations. Like any other aspect, there are some positives and negatives. So here also we do have witnessed some positives if we talk about fixed dose combinations, like in the treatment of tuberculosis, right? Because that is not quite possible if we do not have fixed dose combinations. So there are some drugs which are actually used to mask a side effect another drug. That is one plus point. There are some drugs which have some other aspects, and if you talk about titration of dose, so it may have a negative impact. Okay, but let me tell you that pharmacovigilance or drug safety that is emerging, and we have went ahead and we have crossed that mark when you can say that pharmacovigilance or drug safety is not existing in India. So now Indian government has published its guidelines and under your guidance also. So I can say that if fixed dose combinations are that important, right, there is no harm to let fixed dose combinations continue, because we are well prepared as far as dealing of adverse drug reactions are concerned, because every marketing authorization holder or sponsor, they are being asked from the government of India to get their pharmacovigilance system established. So now for most of the companies, and for the small scale companies also, we have or we will be having established pharmacovigilance system. We will be having the trained staff. So there is no way we could say, or we should say that we are not ready to take up the adverse drug events coming from the therapy fixed dose combinations. So we are well prepared, and we can be able to handle fixed dose combinations therapeutic outcome in a negative way.
Yeah, I'm going to ask a difficult question. Yeah, you can. My question is the extension of this question, so you can answer me this. See, according to the new drug definition, a new fixed dose combination is being considered as a new drug, and for a new drug you require a clinical trial. But for fixed dose combination, what we are actually providing to the government is nothing but the bioequivalence data. And while doing a BAP studies, you have got a very limited number of healthy subjects, maybe 24 healthy subjects. So how do you really evaluate safety of a new fixed dose combination with the help of 24 volunteers who take this medication for a very short period of time?
Good morning, all the audience. Dr. Mohin, thanks for raising this very important aspect. I would still like to add to this first query that why there are so many numbers of FDC in India rather than in WHO. See, in India, Indian market is more than need. It is market oriented. When patient suffers from a disease, his first priority is no matter he wants to get quick relief in 2 or 3 days. So that leads to requirement of adding more and more antibiotics. Now, today's patient doesn't believe in tests. Sensitivity test in antibiotics used to be, it is an old story now. Before starting antibiotic therapy, I don't think more than 90% patient undergoes any such test that which antibiotic is going to be effective on which person. So it is basically that need orientation and quick relief desired by the patient. It has led to the companies and their marketing department to make more and more combinations, whether rational or irrational, leading to more of resistance. If you see other countries, we don't find these combinations.
At all.
Where 2 or 3 antibiotics or 1 antibacterial, 2 antibiotics are combined, just to give quick relief or to increase the spectrum of activity. It just increases the resistance. Now there is more and more awareness. So this issue has been taken up. Once the issue of drug resistance has been taken.
That's right.
Because of that, in India we have more of disease
it is because of more marketing strategy and less of justification. Now we are going more towards justification, and there should not be excessive dose of medication. If a patient needs one medication, let it be confined to one medicine. Although all medicines are individually permitted, but there is no rationale giving them altogether. This is the basic answer of your first question. Second thing, as Dr. Vasi very clearly told, to mask the side effect of other drugs, like most of the antacids, pantoprazole, rabeprazole, are added just to mask the side effect of, say, diclofenac or ibuprofen. Most of these painkillers will find added component of antacid to it. Otherwise, there is no other reason.
That's right.
So this is basically more because of marketing strategy of companies, and to increase their market share, they have put in more FDCs rather than any clinical study behind it.
Yeah.
Now, in the last meeting we discussed this issue that government is banning FDCs. It is right from 2016 notification has been issued, but it is almost 2.5 years now. We are not able to enforce it properly because for one reason or another, or because of legal lacuna, companies goes to court and takes stay for no coercive action to be taken, especially in Indian scenario. So even this issue was discovered, why not to ban it at manufacturer level from day one, and then give some window period for the marketing, for the drug in distribution channel to get it recalled if it is not safe, or to get it liquidated by whatsoever better word you use. So now this is the government perception to go to think to remedy, to find a remedy in this way also, because it would reduce litigation and this would increase the effective legislation of a banned drug. Now, regarding clinical studies, I request Ankit to give answer because they are more directly prone to, as long as the FDCs which are covered under new drug.
Thank you, sir. Actually, as per Rule 122E, we are receiving new drug applications. So our one pathway has been already been approved by the ministry. So all these proposals went to subject expert committee constituted by Ministry of Health, where in this committee doctors are there, respected doctors, and proposals were reviewed by them with respect to safety and rationality of this FDC. If individual drugs are approved, so or second times their forms are coming, there is no need to conduct the clinical trial. On the basis of IPM study, we are giving approval also, which details are available on CDSO website. Once first time when coming to India or anybody manufacturer launch the new molecules, so clinical trial or other safety parameters will be assessed by experts. So if unmet need is there, so we are always welcome as a regulator. So there is a procedure.
Yeah, but what I was trying to ask, that in case of an FDC, the applicant is not required to conduct a clinical trial. That's right. So you are supposed to only provide the data from the VABE studies.
Yes. If already individual drugs are approved, then already these FDC guidelines as well as all these procedures are available on website. And if I remember, last DKB meeting, this one of the remark noted by committee that FDC guidelines will be reviewed. So very soon you will see new guidelines.
My contention was entirely different. That when you have an efficacy and safety of a single individual moiety, that cannot be compared with the safety and the efficacy of 2 or 3 molecules combined together, because they can definitely, the kinetics and dynamics within the body can be entirely different. and it can have serious safety repercussions, and which we are actually bypassing. We are just asking the applicant to prepare a bioequivalence and BA data, and on the basis of that alone we are giving. So there is definitely a question mark against the safety of this new combination which comes into the market. What I would like to ask somebody from there, because only these 3 or 4 panelists have been answering my question, and we have to take these 2 questions very quickly. I was reading one of the articles on FDCs recently, and in a survey conducted in a tertiary hospital, it was reported that the doctors, I'm talking about the practicing doctors in a tertiary hospital, they were not aware of a single FDC combination which appears in the WHO list of recognized essential drug list. So, I mean, this comes to me as a very surprising element, but what we can do that at least these practicing doctors would know which are the FDCs which are being recognized by WHO. What is your take on this? Anybody from there?
Thank you, sir. Next question. As you rightly said, first of all, WHO has recognized about 25 FDCs.
Yeah.
So where is the need? Only at those places FDC should be recommended, if it is essential. But WHO has recognized based on the global scenario. Indian scenario may be different.
Okay.
So I appreciate if India has many FDCs, but at the same time it should be rational. So as a lot of work is ongoing, everybody is aware and my colleague has spoken a lot. And there is also need to have the, as you said, awareness. First of all, we should know which is the essentials. Without FDC, we cannot run, then we should not prescribe. Where it is mandatory, required, then only we should be. At the same time, I don't see if Indian industry has developed thousands of FDC, there might be some science, because during development, people don't develop like that, they mix and make the product. They are doing in study. What is happening with 2 drug nations? This is a preliminary requirement for making any FDC. So they must have, but as maybe some regulatory has not asked, so it could not provide that data initially. But I am sure if regulatory is asking the mandatory data, industry will be able to provide all the each data and that FDC. And if it is being accepted in India, I am sure that FDC will be used in the world also. For example, just US was telling me, there is a huge market in Africa. So many people are surviving based on Indian medicine only.
No, I'm sorry to interrupt. He was talking about the generic medications.
Yes, yeah.
And I would also say, because Tanveer is sitting there, there is other gentlemen who have expertise in formulation development.
Yeah.
What you are talking about basically a designing of a FDC. You are talking about a pharma formulation, and you are also talking about in vitro studies. So incompatibility between drug A, B, C and all that is being considered and evaluated at the basic drug design. So that does not actually safeguard, or that does not guarantee you that this combination will be a safe combination when it is taken by human beings. So we are talking about 2 different parameters.
Absolutely, sir. You rightly said. That's why at the same time, if regulatory asking this data and evaluating, or if it is required, if it's clinical study, it will be done. If this, you can understand simple thing. If I don't ask anything from my father, he will not give anything. We have to ask.
So you have to ask.
Yes.
So you are suggesting that the regulator should ask for such data.
Yes, yes. And
Okay.
I am sure industry will provide. It's good for industry because one they have conducted the study, it will use in whole life. If
Okay.
they are doing any modification, they can do whatever additional study is required. It can
Okay.
be done.
Okay.
And at the same time,
Yeah.
one good thing I also have for regulators, they are my colleague, even though I would like to say this is a good platform. There is lack of the standards for FDCs right now. Even in Indian Pharmacopoeia Commission, we have started 2-3 years ago. We could add only 100 FDCs. Yes. And in market, I think 1,000 FDCs available. So for essential FDCs, we are working, but it's not easy, as you said. When we started, lot of study, lot of data is required. Because whatever standard we are putting in Indian Pharmacopoeia, it can be used the worldwide. and again it differs from formulation to formulation. So what I suggest to regulatory, if they can start some portal, common portal on the CDCSU website, at least initially methods or standards preliminary, whatever being approved by regulatory for first marketing authorization, that standards if you can provide on website, so it will help for other manufacturers to evaluate the initial quality, and it can be also upgraded time to time, and after 2-3 years keeping on portal, this method or specification can be evaluated further, and it can be the part of the Indian pharmacopoeia. It will be the very big strength for Indian industry as well as Indian regulators.
Yeah, that's a very nice question. Suggestion to regulators. My last question to the panel here, because we are running out of time. That's right. I think she had given me only 15 minutes, 20 minutes. We have taken more than 20 minutes. One of the articles said that the doctors normally read about a disease either from textbooks or from the journals or from the MRs. So how we can educate, how can we sensitize them? I mean, then the ball comes to in the court of the stakeholders, and especially the pharma companies. They have to take this onus on them that through their medical representatives, they train the prescriber of the FDCs that what are the advantages, what are the disadvantages, what are the 25 recognized FDCs by WHO. So how pharma industry can do something about it, because there are manufacturers sitting here on the panelists. So probably somebody, either you can say something about this. Tanveer, anybody?
Very valid point you have mentioned, sir, because my concern is with the common patient, common people. Like of late 328 FDC also has been banned by the government, and some brand like Vic Section 500, Saridon, which the people have taken from the ages, all of a sudden they have been banned. So that is, the onus is definitely on the manufacturer to make aware, first of all, to the doctors what would be the possible ADR, and then it comes to the patient. I think that is should be taken care.
Yeah, I mean, today morning which we were talking about, and some people were talking about to me about the lack of awareness of reporting ADR in India, and that is the crux of the problem here in India, that we do not have sufficient data on the safety of the drugs. From our Indian population, we are currently depending on the data what we get from US FDA and EMA, and we are supposed to take action based on the safety reported from EMA and US FDA, and this data is being challenged in the course of law by many other stakeholders, and then we had to revoke the ban, and there are a lot of litigations going on in the court right now. So it is our duty, I mean the people who are sitting here, they are stakeholders from all forms of the life, and these pharma stakeholders' duty to create this awareness of the drug safety and drug efficacy. It is not only for FDCs, but it is for all the pharmaceuticals which have been consumed here in India. So myself being very passionate about drug safety and pharmacovigilance, this is my sincere appeal to everybody here that we really need to promote the cause of pharmacovigilance and drug safety, and the basic step, one thing is required is the reporting culture, which is badly missing in India, and every one of us has to do our best to inculcate this ADR reporting culture in India. I think he has something to say.
Rightly said, but just I want to add something to your this ADR.
Yeah.
It's a very good subject, and everybody is talking nowadays. So that again, it is lacking. Awareness is lacking. But what is my personal experience and thinking? We ourselves has to be buttoned up. हम लोग अपना जन्म कुंडली बहुत संभाल के रखते हैं ना, हर आदमी की जन्म कुंडली होगी, कैसा है भाई, हमारा क्या होगा, बट हमने लाइफ में कौन कौन सा दवाई लिया हमें किसी को नहीं पता, करेक्ट? हमें इसको स्टार्ट करना चाहिए एटलीस्ट जब जाके तभी सवेरा आज से स्टार्ट करें कि हमारे बच्चे कौन कौन सी दवाई ले रहे हैं, उसका हिस्ट्री होना चाहिए। बिकॉज सर एडीआर में ये भी नहीं हो सकता कि आज उसका लॉन्ग टर्म के बाद भी इफेक्ट होता है, तो उसके पहले हमने क्या लिया एंड इट हैज टू बी स्टडीड। Then I think after 5 to 10 years we will be the very good position as a by attitude, by habits and everything this stuff, and it will automatically speak. So it's very good. We are doing this awareness to doctors. Sometimes doctors don't have time. Frankly speaking, they don't have time to support. We are enforcing. We are putting coordinators there that it should be reported. It's very good practice. It should continue. But at the same time, parallelly, it should come in our habit. For example, here is the 100 people. If we share this thing with 10 colleagues after going here, then it will spread to 1,000 people. Then those 1,000 people will also spread. So it will in masses, you know. So it will come in habit. हम लोग आज से start करेंगे तो it will give good results, and I hope this pharmacovigilance and ADR reporting automatically will enhance, and this number people should in mind what is the number of the pharmacovigilance reporting. This is the toll-free number. I don't think people are knowing. So it has to be as much as possible. It should be advertised, make popular public awareness.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you so much. I thank all the panelists to be here, and I hope our problem is the time, and that's why we could. There are a lot of other questions which probably we could have put in front of the panelists, but unfortunately time does not permit us. We have another panel discussion coming up. So thank you very much for all of you for this lovely panel discussion, and I hope you must have been benefited from the questions and the answers, what you answered from the expert panelists. Thank you so much once again.
Arising in this field. Now may I request our beloved sponsors for the day, and I'll be requesting you to kindly come on the dais and share with us the success story. And these sponsors are the people, dear audience, without whom this show today would not have been such